Hello friends, this is your own Dr. Hema MD in Homeopathy from Mumbai. Today's topic is COVID-19. COVID-19 virus SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. Everybody knows about it, but yesterday, 24th April, there was a case which was registered again in Madhya Pradesh, Indore, and there are many such cases which are coming positive. Today's video is to give you lots and lots of knowledge about it so that you become more confident and to avoid panics. So we will start with the causes. You know the cause, it is SARS coronavirus COVID-19. It is spreading from person to person through the mucus, through the liquids. So it is very important that you cover your nose with the mask and you wash your hands when you come home from outside. And if you're suffering from any symptoms like flu, like fever, or if you have shortness of breath, please be careful and get yourself checked. What you can do, so this can help you yourself, you can help the family members, and you can help your neighbors and the people around. First and foremost thing is don't panic. Don't panic, it's a viral infection. It is very important that you keep your immune system strong. So I am telling you some few things that you can do at home if you're diagnosed with coronavirus COVID-19. First thing is you start boiling water so that the water intake becomes absolutely normal. Then you can wash your hands whenever you go out and come home. Wash your things wherever you are going. Don't use that clothes and again and again. You can improve your immune system by using lot of vitamins. You can include lot of vitamin C, which is very good for increasing the immune system. You can use kiwis, berries, oranges, sweet potatoes. This all increases your vitamin C in the body and it helps in increasing the immune system. It is very important that you take lots of rest. Please sleep more and more. Don't be under pressure. Please continuously take care of your mental health as well as the physical health, because it is very important that you remain calm and composed. Fear, it is always a serotonin release. As I am an homeopathic doctor, it is very important that the serotonin level should be normal. All the levels in the body should come to normal. So if you have some virus, if it is mild, it will go into 2 to 3 weeks. If it is moderate, it will go into a month's time, and if it is a little more severe, it will take few months to go. So please don't panic. Judge how much infection it is. Are you really suffering from it? Diagnose it and be careful. Maintain a distance from the family members. Avoid going out. Even if you're sick, be at home. Take care of yourself. Take lots of care of yourselves as it is coming. If there is anybody traveling who has come from places where it has been diagnosed, please be very careful that you diagnose it. And there are many people who are being vaccinated about COVID-19, and if there is anything, there is a defense mechanism in the body. We have a strong immune system. So just be calm and composed, then take lots of rest, drink lots and lots of fluid. Try to improve your immune system by eating healthy, thinking healthy. Be pessimist, be a positive thinker, and don't be a pessimist. You have to be positive and not a pessimist. So please take care of yourself, and COVID-19 can be treated. There are various medications which are there. There are symptomatic reliefs that can be given in the form of wheezing, cold, cough. So it is very important that you take care, and all the best. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can follow me and you can put your queries on the numbers flashing. Thank you so much. Thank you.